Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple photos on Instagram story. For this, go for your story plus icon, then choose the photo and now just resize it. Okay, uh-oh, wait for a second. Okay, then go for in this sticker icon. Scroll down and you can see here is a plus icon. Click on it and choose another photo and place it as your choice. Again go for this and choose another one, and this is how you can add multiple photos on your story. And just go for your story. This is how you can add multiple photos on Instagram story. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.